Good evening. My name is Pranay Kumar, and I am the class of 2014 valedictorian. Four years, 1,461 days. Believe it or not, we have physically been in high school for less than half that time. 710 days to be exact. Yes, I'm a nerd. On day one of 710, we all stepped foot onto a foreign campus. A campus that signaled a new chapter of life. A new chapter of life that would be a stepping stone for all of our futures. 710 days on the path to one of the glorious moments of our short lives so far, graduation. Let me ask you this. Was it easy? Were these 710 days a piece of cake? They sure weren't for me. I don't know about you, but I feel like it should be illegal for us high schoolers to wake up before noon. I mean, we all sleep at 3 in the morning anyway. Also, high school is supposed to be the place where we get our first taste of what it means to be responsible. I sure see responsibility when I look at the safe driving at lunch in the parking lot at Mustang Run. All 4 years, we listened to what our parents, administrators, and teachers told us. Perform well in school to succeed later in life. However, we also signed up for something we weren't told about. Obstacles. And by obstacles, I don't mean the freshmen we have to step on to get to class. I mean the obstacles that make us have to stop and think. Stop and think about things with serious consequences. A conflict with a friend, a bad breakup, disappointed parents, a failed final. These 710 days have presented each and every one of us with new problems we've never experienced. Problems that brought us down lower than we've ever been before. But now we're here. Now we're here. As the great Rocky Balboa once said, life ain't all sunshine and rainbows. You, me, or nobody is going to hit as hard as life does. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. Mustangs, in these 710 days, we've been hit from all sides. Parents, homework, teachers, friends, Gwen. You name it, we've had drama with it. But now, on our 711th and last day at Tribuco Hills High School, we have moved forward plenty. Rocky would be proud. Let's take a moment to thank the people who are sitting around us today who have helped us get to where we are. Our parents, teachers, administrators, friends, siblings, mentors, everybody. We've moved to the point, because of these people, where we're deserving of graduation, deserving of the success and achievement that tonight brings to us. These 711 days of school have not been easy, and it only gets tougher from here. But I know, and you know, that the resilient spirit of Tribuco Hills will forever be in our hearts. We will all soon be heading into another foreign world, the oh-so-scary real world. However, it is a world that we, the Tribuco Hills High School, class of 2014, will turn upside down. Go Blue.